Hi friends, welcome to Chikash Adventures. I know it's been too long we have posted any video, but we have been so busy with work and we haven't got a chance to take the girls out for quite some time now. So we'll be heading somewhere probably in first week or second week of April and looking forward showing you another pet friendly place. But till then, summer is here, as you all know, and the temperatures are soaring very high. So it's the favorite time of the year for me because I love making frozen treats for them. And this is a perfect time that you can make treats and give them as snacks. So I'm just going to show you what all I use. These are some of the silicone molds that I have. This is a bone shape one. This I had got from DMart. It's a chocolate mold actually, but it's cute because it has cute flowers. So the shape comes out really well. And this is a star and a fish shape one mold that I got from IKEA. And here are the Kong toys. This is a Huffed Twisty toy, but I use it as I use it to fill stuff and freeze it, and girls absolutely love this. This is one of the Kong toys which actually is not quite useful for us because they say you put toothpaste here and then the dogs keep chewing on it, and it helps. It helps remove tartar and stuff, but then girls actually don't like chewing on toothpaste. So sometimes what I do is if I make sardine paste, I make a thick paste and then I stuff it here and I freeze it. Or today I think I'm going to try putting on some treats here and freeze it, and let's see. This is another one of the molds that we have. I think I've shown in one of our Instagram story I had made watermelon popsicles in this. So that's it. And this is one of the toys. I've already filled this with peanut butter and yogurt filling. So I'm going to freeze this. It's actually two side one. So once this is frozen, I'm going to fill something here also. And I just filled this today evening, so I'm going to freeze this for some more time. I'm going to put this in freezer, and this remains our all-time favorite toy, or I won't say toy actually, yeah, interactive toy. So this we already had the smaller one, the medium one actually. This is the extra large one, and there's one more smaller than this. So this seems fine. This is good for Ash. This is good for Chica. This we got recently now. So that's it. I'm going to show you what all I'm going to fill in all of this. And so this is all I have taken. I'm going to make some combinations here. I have zucchini, green zucchini, and I have parsley. So I'm going to mix this. I am going to mix cucumber and basil, and I have banana, peanut butter and yogurt. So I'll be mixing all this and making a paste. I had made some homemade treats, so I've just crushed them and I'm going to use these as treats, just some topper or some filling. I have chicken liver here which is boiled, and I had fresh oregano which I'm going to chop and mix with this veggie mush. This is beetroot, green peas and spinach which I had steamed, and I'm going to make a paste of this, add salmon oil to this and make a paste. So let's see how I can mix and match and fill everything up. So I'm going to fill these now. I've just taken a base so that it's easier for me to fill it and keep it in the freezer. And since there's a hole at the bottom, always close it with some filling like a peanut butter or something. Today I'm going to use this is chicken liver, so I'm going to stuff this at the bottom. and just press it a little so that whatever filling I put on top, it doesn't come out from the hole. So you can be as creative and fill whatever, if you are giving kibbles or if you are feeding raw or if you are giving cooked, whatever, you can serve meals in this to them. And I'm going to fill this also with the same. So sometimes what I do is I usually give them a boiled egg in the morning, one or two, and then this becomes like a afternoon snack cum meal. And there are 3 layers actually, so you can fill 3 different things in this. So it's a great way to keep them mentally stimulated also, and they get their meals, they earn their meals rather by walking through this. So this is done, and this is the veggie mush. Now I am going to fill this in as a second layer. So summertime usually they eat less. Especially Ash, she sometimes skips meals also, which is absolutely fine. There's nothing to worry about if your dog does the same and skips a meal or two. It's just the weather change that their body goes through. The veggie paste now, and I'm just going to top this with some boiled chicken breast. This is boneless boiled chicken breast. I absolutely love making frozen treats, and especially filling Kongs, because you get to be so creative, and you can just fill stuff with fill Kongs and all these molds with different stuff. And since you all know Chica and Ash are foodies, they gorge on it. So Ash actually skips meal, but if we serve something like this, she feels we've served something really exotic, and then she would gobble it up. So that's it. The Kongs are ready, and this goes in the freezer now. Both the Kongs are ready, and now I'm going to start preparing my next frozen treat, which is cucumber and basil. So I'll make a paste of this and I'll show you how it looks. So this is how the cucumber basil paste looks like, and I'm just going to fill this in these molds. And just to make it look more interesting, I'm just going to insert these treats inside. So when it actually pops out, it looks very cute. And this goes in the freezer again for at least 24 hours or overnight. Actually, overnight is fine too. So our cucumber basil pops are ready. Now I'm taking a banana, and I'm just going to add a scoop of peanut butter to this and some yogurt, and I'm going to make a paste of this. Since this is looking quite bland, I'm going to add a little color to this and mix this treat powder I'm done filling this and I have some left. So what I'll do is I'll use it in this Kong. The smaller hole, I'm just going to close it with peanut butter, and I have this chew stick that I'm going to insert inside. And I'm just going to add this. 2 bits are left. Since I have this extra, I'm just adding this here. I think the girls will enjoy this more than filling toothpaste inside. So it looks messy now, but I think once it's frozen, it will be much better. And as long as it's delicious for the girls, we don't mind messy things, don't we? So this is how the zucchini parsley paste is looking like. And now I'm filling this. So this you can add to their meals if your dog is a fussy eater, and otherwise you can just give them as a snack, like in the afternoons or so when it's too hot. You can give these frozen pops as a snack. And you can be as creative, you can mix and match stuff. Whatever your dog likes, any fruit, any particular fruit, any particular vegetable, whatever your dog likes, just mix and match and make yummy frozen pops for them, popsicles. I'm going to show you tomorrow how all of these look, and let's see if Chica and Ash enjoy them. So I'm just going to fill all of this and put this in the freezer too. And this is left. So what I usually do is I cover the base with some fruit or a vegetable, since it's like open from both the sides, and then I add the filling and freeze it. So I think if I have some of the paste left, or I'll use a slice of zucchini and other vegetables like a carrot and something, I'll just stuff and I'll put this inside. So all our frozen pops are ready today. So these are the Kongs that we had made. This is a Kong, and this is a watermelon popsicle that I had made. So it looks very cute like this. And this is another Kong. This I had made with watermelon and berries, goji berries. I had mixed it. And this is sardine paste popsicle. This I had showed you yesterday already. This also I showed you yesterday. So these I had made with broccoli and purple cabbage. So only 2 are left now. This again is mixed berries, and this I showed you yesterday, banana, peanut butter and yogurt. So all our colorful lollies are ready. We are summer ready. I'm sure this is not going to last for long. Today I'm going to give them a Kong now. So the bigger one goes to Chica. And the smaller one goes to Ash. Yes. Take it. She's going to smell it first, what's inside, whether it's interesting for me or not, whether I should have it. Is there something interesting? Ash, take it. You're not holding it. What? I'm not going to hold it for you. Come on. Such a drama queen she is. Have. Chika, खा लियो. Look at her. Now she's holding it. Such a badmash queen. So that's going to keep them busy for a long time now. Okay, down. Have it. It's yours. They're due for a bath since a long time. We are waiting to take them for a swim soon. And then we'll give them a bath. Chika, खा लियो. Chika is just moving around with that. Down. Good girl. Have it. So that is going to keep them busy for a long time now. And hope you all like the video. We have lots of other videos too on frozen popsicles and different treats. Do check them out. Bye bye and woof woof from Chikesh Adventures.